for mental health care in Kentucky and across the nation. A new 3-digit number launching to give those struggling help at any time of the day.
Bodie Brooks has more on how the new number works.
This new number is the 911 of mental health.
24 hours a day, 365 days a year, call or text 988. Be it anxiety, depression, substance abuse, immediate care is now available, anonymous and free of charge.
Some people are calling just kind of curious. Does it work? What is it about? What do I call for?
Darcy Miller is the regional director of emergency response for one of the 13 call centers in Kentucky on the 988 network, New Vista.
When you're in a crisis, sometimes it's difficult to think clearly, right? So the nice thing about having a 3-digit number, 911, is you remember it, it's quick, it's easy. The same thing is when you're dealing with a mental health crisis.
Miller says if you call 988, you're in control. You decide what you want to share. She says 80% of calls have issues solved in that conversation, but options are there for a next-day appointment or emergency response in a life-threatening situation.
It's not just the person in crisis calling, it could be a loved one.
With this change, we do anticipate an increase in the number of calls. And ultimately, that's a good thing because we know people out there need help that aren't reaching out for help.
Governor Andy Beshear on hand at the state capitol as the Commonwealth became the latest state to officially launch 988. Miller is answering the increase in demand with trained volunteers, but wants to stress it will take time to perfect the system.
If a caller calls and they're on hold for a little bit, hold on. I'm telling you, there's somebody on the line 24/7.
Bodie Brooks, Fox 56 News.
This is also not a free service for Kentucky. While there is no cost to callers, lawmakers did have to budget for 988 this past year. Advocates at the state capitol today said they will return to the legislature next year to ask for permanent funding.